Want to transform your photos into magical Studio Ghibli-style artwork in just 1 minute? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you an easy way to turn any image into a dreamy, hand-painted Ghibli masterpiece using free tools. Let's go! First, open your browser and go to google.com. Search for Grok AI. Open the official website of Grok AI. Click on Try Grok. Click on the Sign In button. Now sign in with your Google account. Once the sign-in is complete, select the image of your choice. Enter the command, "Convert this image into Studio Ghibli style." Click on the Enter button. This process may take some time. Your desired image will be generated in a few moments. And that's it. Now you can turn any photo into a Studio Ghibli-style masterpiece in just 1 minute. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more fun, easy edits like this. Your support means everything. Thanks for watching, and keep creating magic.